Baik is a very famous fried chicken of Saudi Arabia. This fried chicken nuggets has a very unique flavor which you can't find in other fried chicken chains. So these nuggets are so different and it tastes very amazing. They use chicken fillet in their nuggets. So let's see how I make those nuggets, not exactly the same recipe but the closest one. So let's start making it. I'm using skinless boneless chicken fillet cut into thinner pieces as directed. And now I'm going to transfer this chicken fillets in a medium bowl. Add 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon white pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon ginger powder, half teaspoon paprika powder, half teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon salt, adjust as per your taste, 2 tablespoon onion water or you can also use onion powder, 2 tablespoon hot sauce. Give this a very good mix. And now I'm going to transfer this to a zipper bag. Remove air from your zipper bag and now with your meat mallet or rolling pin, go ahead and start pounding the chicken. Once done, press it nicely with your hands and remove air from the zipper bag. And now I'm going to freeze this for 4 hours or overnight. In a bowl, add 1 cup corn flour, 1 cup all-purpose flour, pinch of orange or yellow color, goes in 2 eggs, mix well, goes in 1 cup milk, add gradually, mix it nicely and set aside. So after freezing, remove the zipper bag. And cut into square pieces as directed. And now dip it in corn flour mix, coat this fillet with breadcrumbs and set aside. At this point you can also freeze the chicken nuggets. They are freezer friendly too, so double the batch and store any extracts in the freezer for next day. Heat oil for 8 minutes on medium-high heat. Now drop the nuggets, slow cook till it becomes golden brown. Once done, remove it in a paper towel. And serve hot with mayonnaise mixed with grated garlic. Add half cup mayo. Add 2 grated garlic. Mix well and serve this with chicken nuggets and enjoy. So guys, what are you waiting for? Give this a try and let me know how it turned out for you. They are perfectly golden and crispy on the outside and juicy, tender inside. This one is a crowd pleaser, especially for the youngest mouths. Super kid-friendly recipe. Snap a pic and tag us on Instagram page #Shimi's Kitchen and follow us on Instagram page shimis.kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. Thank you for watching. See you soon with more amazing recipes. Take care and have a nice day.